Yeah.
Alright, let's get to it.
I can't, because I can't put my face right next to the I'm trying as long as if I You hit plus, you wrote plus, and then.
Wait, can you grab my notebook? Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so first you set all equal to 0 and yep.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Great job, Alondra. Wow, really good.
And then you make the x,
This is gonna be really slow.
and then negative 20x squared on the top.
Yep.
Sorry.
Okay, so you do an X without using the box?
Eat the box, I think.
What?
Well, he didn't say to do the box.
Oh, I know he didn't. I'm just asking him. Do you do it without the box?
No.
Yeah, tell box second.
That looks so bad.
So do you multiply the first number and the end number and throw that at the top of the X first and then fill the box in later?
Yeah.
Ah, okay,
I'm really
Well,
confused right now.
sometimes. I mean.
okay.
And then you get that it's negative 4x on one side and 5x on the other side. And then you can put that in your small boxes in the box. And then you can pull out you can pull out 5x minus 2. And on the other side is 2x plus 1. And
You're
then
making me feel very stupid for taking up that much space on the last problem.
and then you can do your two things that you can multiply, so you get 5x minus 2 equals 0. And then 2x plus 1 equals 0.
I like how she's writing bigger.
I don't like it up here.
Okay, and then you can solve them.
I don't understand what we're laughing at.
Equals 2.
He's being very descriptive, that's what we're
They're laughing at me.
Try solving it.
Good work. There you go.
Lovely. Prizes. You really did. It was a hard earn. All right, are we all okay with this kind of problem?
Yeah, sure.
Gorgeous. Next. Example 3. X squared equals 17. Ideas? Yes?
Square root.
Square root. Now, every time you square root, you have to do something special. Oh, really?
What?
Square root.
I wasn't mad.
Go ahead. Oh, no, you're not raising your hand.
I was looking up. What'd you say?
I said every time you do a square root to solve an equation, you have to do something special.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
the
plus
negative,
minus.
right?
You always have to have a plus or minus.
Oh.
Do you remember why?
Because they both work.
Right, it could be positive square root of 17 times a positive square root of 17, or two negatives times each other, because that also makes a positive. But when you're simplifying, like yesterday or before, remember when we were simplifying like the square root of 200 and we'd break it down and we never put a plus or minus afterwards? That's because the implication is that since the problem was already positive, that the answer is also positive. But when you're solving it, that's when you don't know what it was. So that's when you always put a plus or minus. And that's the end of that problem. Example 4. All right, x squared equals negative 25. I need a brave soul to raise their hand and do this problem in front of everyone without me telling you what to do. You can just talk from there and talk me through it and immediately get a prize. Not partners, individuals. So if you both want to try for it, raise your hand. Be brave.
Can we do it or no?
No. 1, 2, 3. 1. Kaylee's hating it. Just talk me through it.
Okay, so what? I don't know. I just want a toy, so I'm gonna try.
Yep.
You're going to
Yep.
use the eye.
Oh, for sure. But what do we have to do to get rid of the square?
You have to use square root.
Yeah. And now I see why you were talking about that I. 'Cause there's definitely an I involved here. What's the square root of 25? Talking to Kaylee. What are you doing? Okay. And if you do a square root, Kaylee, you always have to have what in front? Yes, yes. Say it louder. Don't just mutter it. Plus or negative. She's like, plus or negative. No, wait. Nope. That's it. Good job. You did it. Well done. Bravery. Proud of you. Example 5. Which one's it going to be? The frog with the frog fur coat? X minus 4 squared equals 12. Same deal. This one's harder. Anyone willing to go for it? 1, 2, 3. 3. Sam.
Alright, it's double the x minus 4.
Are you suggesting like we put it in a box?
Yeah.
Now, we could put it in a box. Sam's
Okay,
way.
I don't know.
Okay, wait. I'm going to come back to you.
Okay.
Sam's way of like x minus 4 times x minus 4, putting it in a box, then put 12 on the other side, and then factor it out, it would work. But faster way is
Just square root it.
square root. All right, now I've got x minus 4 on this side, and on this side I have what, Sam?
12. What's square root of 12?
Break it down.
4. 2.
You don't have to do this in your head. We're trying to do it
4
together.
times 3.
Yeah. 4 times 3?
Then let's say 2 right there.
2 and 2.
2 square root of 3.
So it'd be 2 square roots of 3. And if I ever do a square root, what do I have to do? Plus or minus.
Plus minus.
Okay, now what do I do?
And then we have minus 4 right here.
Mm-hmm.
So plus 4.
Good. Now, when you add 4, the typical way that it looks is it should look like 4 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 3. Technically, you could have plus or minus 2 times the square root of 3 plus 4, or you could figure out what those decimals are and actually add them and subtract them together. But this is what's generally accepted in math. Nice job, Sam. Prize it up. You gonna get that little lion? You're gonna take the.
What is this?
It's a lion.
He's
Decorate the apartment.
Okay, do we think these were expensive prizes?
No.
They're cute. I like that.
I think it's cute that a friend of mine surprise bought me presents so I could give them to other people. You asking me a question?
No, I just
He's
raised my
telling
hand.
me to not put it on the school. I'm putting it.
Yeah, you're just helping us decorate the school.
Yep. Example 6, we got 2 more to go. All right, next one. We are skipping completing the square for now, but I will teach you how to do that eventually. We're gonna jump to using the quadratic formula. X squared minus 4x equals a negative 2. All right, now, normally we get it all on the same side. X squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. And if I was going to factor it, I would make an x. I'd put 2 at the top, negative 4 at the bottom. What multiplies to get 2 and adds to get negative 4? Yeah, it has to multiply to get 2.
3.
Nothing. Nothing. So this is a situation where you would definitely use the quadratic formula. Your answer is going to be negative b plus or minus.
Square root of something 4 AC.
There is a 4ac over here. This was a b squared.